Welcome in my step-by-step class. In today's fraction part 10, we will do to find fractional part of a whole number. I hope till yesterday whatever we have done, it is clear to you. If you will follow class-wise, you will easily learn how to do questions relating to fraction. So let's start. This is also very important part of the fraction, to find fractional part of a whole number, and single question about this is every time asked in your paper or in your syllabus, and it will help in solving percentage also. So let's start. See, first question is 1/3. We can say 1/3 also, or 1/3, 1/3. So 1/3 of 6. 1/3 of 6 means multiplication. So what we will do, 1/3 multiply by 6, and then we will multiply 1 6 6, 1 6 6, and 3 2 6. So we will write here 2. So 3 1 3, we can write like this, and 3 2 6. So answer is 2. 1 we will not write. 1 is understood that it is in the denominator, so we never write this 1. Okay, now next one is 7/8 of 24 meter, right? I think you can see 7/8 of 24 meter. That means 7/8, in place of we always write multiply, and 24 meter. So we will write 7 into 24/8, or in senior classes we directly cut. We know that 8 3 24, so we cut here, but for junior classes I am writing so that they can understand. So 8 3 24, and 7 3 21 meter. So answer is 21 meter. 21 meter. You can see? Yes. Once again, 7 into 24/8. So 8 1 8. We can write 1 here. This one. But normally we don't write. So 8 3 24. So here 7 3 21. Right? 21 meter is the answer. Next question is 3/4 into 48. So here no off is given, direct question is given. So you will do what? You will do 3 into 48/4. So you know the 4 and 4 12 that's 4 1 4, 4 2 8, or we can write 4 1 4 here also. So this one 12 3 36. So answer is 36. Okay, so 1 doesn't matter, so we will not write it. 11/12 of 1 hour. 11/12 of 1 hour. See, 1 hour. So we will change this 1 hour into its lower unit. So lower unit of hour is minute. So we will write 11/12 into 60 minute, because we know 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So we will, instead of 1 hour, we will change it into 60 minutes. So here 12 5 60. So, and 11 5 55 minutes. So we will write here 55 minutes. 55 minutes is the answer. So keep that in mind. If unit is bigger and we have to change the unit in lower unit, or the part of that will come in lower unit, so we will change that part in unit is in lower unit. So next question is 35/100 of 2 kilometer. So 2 kilometer, right? So either 100 is there and 2 kilometer is there. So we will change this kilometer into meter. So we will write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So instead of 2 kilometer, we will write 2000 meter. So we will write 36/11, and this is 100 2 200, or calculation you can do according to you. So here 11 2 220. So here 235 70, 1 0 is there. So 700 meter is the answer. I think you can see. Understood? Okay. See, next question is 1/18 of 90 liter. 1/80 of 90 liter. Let me fix the camera properly. Okay, fine. See, 1/18 of 90 liter. So here we will not change this liter into milliliter, because 18 is less and 90 it will cancel with it. So we will write 1 upon 80 into 90 liter. 18 5s are 90. Then 5 1 5 liter is the answer. Right? So next question is 3 upon 5 of 1 meter. So here 1 meter, 5 is greater here and 1 is smaller. So we will change this unit into lower unit. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So I am changing this 1 meter into 100 centimeter. 3 upon 5 into 100. So 5 2 ja 10 and 0, or 5 20 ja 100. It's your wish how you will cancel it. Then 3 2 ja 6 and 60. 60 centimeter is the answer. 60 centimeter is the answer. Right? Then another is 5 upon 8 into 48 kg. So 5 upon 8 into 48 kg. This time we will not change kg into gram because this unit is small. It can easily cancel with it. So 5 upon 8 into 48 kg. 8 6 are 48 and 5 6 are 30 kg. So 30 kg. Right. Then 4 upon 5 of 10 weeks. See, 4 upon 5 of 10 weeks. So here also no need to change this weeks into days. Sometimes we have to change, but we have to think in our mind. We have to use our common sense. So 5 2 ja 10 and 2 4s are 8. Answer is 8 weeks. So 8 weeks is the 4/5 of 10 weeks. Right? Then 4/5 of rupees 50. So 4/5 of rupees 50. We will change off into multiplication, and 5 10 ja 50 and 4 10 ja 40. So these are the answers, and you have to do in this way. So watch this video again and again, and again I am saying practice is must. Practice makes a man perfect, and maths is the subject of labor. If you labor a lot, then you will be perfect, because every question gives you a thing, a idea, or a trick to do maths yourself. Okay, everybody does maths according to himself or herself. So watch the video again and again, and see you next class. Have a nice day.